This is your prophet Opadafo. Today is the most auspicious occasion that most people in the nations of our world will be expressing their heartfelt felicitation and fervent adulation to people. One thing that I can assure you is that with God, all things are possible. And since we live in a wicked world where day in and day out, people would love to commit a crime. So act on the verges of your intelligence and treat with your conscience. When you go out there, I know most of you people will be going out today to party with your friends. But don't forget, remember that we are living in the world with wicked people with innocent faces. Don't allow anybody to poison you. Don't allow anybody to poison you. Don't allow anybody to poison you. Treat with your conscience. Still remember, as you go out there and party with your friends, don't allow anybody to poison you. Remember, we are living with wicked people with innocent faces. So it is very difficult for you to predict humans in this end time. So as you celebrate this memorable Valentine's Day, remember to act on the verges of your intelligence and treat with your conscience. God bless you and bless you so much. Happy Valentine's Day to each and everyone.